It was around 3 a.m., and I was walking through the forest, the air thick with fog. Through the leaves, I spotted an old dusty wooden box covered in strange symbols. Curiosity got the better of me, so I opened it, completely empty. Just as I was about to close it, a voice whispered from inside, "Don't leave me." I froze, looked again, still empty. Then, everything went dead silent. I closed the box and started walking, but then I heard it again, closer this time. "Now it's your turn." I turned around, no one there, but the box was gone from my hands.